Fire-Boltt round HD screen smartwatch comes in a box like this. The side of this box has all the features mentioned. So this says that this watch comes with SpO2 tracker. It also has a dynamic heart rate monitor. It can calculate the number of steps you've walked. It has an HD large screen, a metal body and a rotating UI interaction interface. The back side of the box has all the features explained in detail. So let's just open this box and look at the watch inside. Okay, so this is how the Fire-Boltt round dial watch looks. This is totally black in color. Straps have matte finish. The back side, this is how the back side of the watch looks. So this is the watch. Let's see what else we get in the box. Okay, so this is the charging wire that you get with this box. So this is a magnetic charger. So you just basically have to place this charger here and it will automatically get stuck to the watch. This is how you can just place this watch on charging. The other end can be put in a laptop or in a charging adapter. So this is how you put your watch on charging. These are few subscription cards that you get in the box and this user manual. So this user manual basically has all the features of the watch in detail and all the functions you can learn through this user manual.